What's up, people? Welcome back to TaylorMade Kicks. Shout out to all the sneakerheads, collectors, and all those who like fly kicks. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial or a how-to on how to keep your fresh white Air Force Ones from creasing. Nobody wants to walk around with that big line in the middle of the front of the toe part. That looks nasty, people. We're not doing that. Let's get into it. Now, in today's society, I know it's acceptable to wear dirty Air Force Ones, but the real sneakerheads, the real collectors, the real people who like fly kicks, that is a no for us. Now, this is not for the collector or the sneakerhead, because they're $90 or $100, we'll just go buy another pair. But for the everyday sneaker wearer or those who don't buy sneakers that much, I'm going to run down how to keep your Air Force Ones fresh and clean like mine. Now, first and foremost, when you get your Forces, don't wear the shoelaces so tight. Loosen these bad boys up. They ain't gotta be so tight. Now, back in the day, we might go a half size down, but if your feet is fat or like wide, you might have to go true to size. But if you can, go a half size down in Air Force Ones. The second lesson is to keep the paper that comes with your sneaker inside the shoe. Even when you take them off, and put them in a box or however you put them underneath your bed, make sure you put this paper back inside the shoe to keep the form of the sneaker. You can also buy shoe trees from, shout out to Rejuvenator, their partner. So shout out to Team Rejuvenator. You can buy shoe trees that you can put inside these. They're like $20 a pair. I'll show the picture here. You can put shoe trees in these as well when you're not wearing them. Now, and as for when you're wearing them, you know, back in the day, we would do two pairs of socks, maybe. One pair of socks and a half sock, and then wrapped over. But that may be uncomfortable for some people, or you might not want to try that. But there's two other methods that, you know, updated modern versions of the two sock or the half size down, which is now they have something that they call Forcefields. So they have Forcefields, which is a little small pad that you can put inside, and it'll sit like right over top of your foot inside of the sneaker, and it'll keep the sneaker from creasing right here. Also, back in the day, we used to walk flat-footed to keep your sneaker, but that's a little uncomfortable as well. But you can put the Forcefield inside, and that'll sit right on top of your foot. You might want to wear like a thinner sock if you're going to wear the Forcefields on top. So you will put those in and wear those inside with the sneaker. There's also, what are they called? Let me see what these are called. You can get these from Foot Locker or like DTLR or Snipes. Any one of those stores. These are called Crease Guards. So they're about $10 to $15 a pair. They come in two different sizes, small to medium and large to extra large, depending on your shoe size. And these go on top of your foot as well inside the sneaker. Just a little bit more stronger structure. These are plastic and rubber, and they are scented. You can also cut these down to fit your sneaker size. But you put this inside of the sneaker on top of your foot to keep the sneaker from creasing. Alright, people, I'm going to show y'all what it looks like to have these on and walk around in your Air Force Ones without creasing them. Make sure y'all tune in live to TaylorMade Kicks Sneaker Show every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Any other questions y'all have, any other tutorials y'all need, there will be more videos coming soon. How-to videos, how to lace up, how to clean. All these videos will be coming soon. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit that live bell notification. This is TaylorMade Kicks, people. We give y'all the information. We're for the people. Make it do what it do. I'm out of here. Holla at your boy.